In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo and image to all slides in Google Slides. This is a really useful skill, especially if you are setting up a presentation and want to keep a consistent look throughout. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing slides.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do that using your Google account credentials. Once in, select the presentation you want to edit or create a new one. Having your presentation open is important because that's where you'll be making all the changes. Next, move your eyes to the top menu and click on View. Why View, you ask? This is where we're going to access the tools that allow us to modify the template slides, which is the secret to applying a logo or image across all slides in your presentation. Once you've clicked on View, go ahead and select Theme Builder. This tool is sometimes known as Master Slide in other software. It will open up a new interface where you can manage the layout and design of your entire presentation at once. In the Theme Builder, you will see a series of slide templates on the left-hand side. Click on the very first slide you see. Choosing the first slide is critical because changes made here will apply to all slide types, and what we edit will be reflected throughout the presentation. Now, find the option to insert an image holder. This will essentially act as a placeholder for your logo or desired image. You'll often find this option on the toolbar that appears at the top of the screen once you've selected the slide. After you've inserted an image holder, it's time to actually add your image or logo. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Image, and finally choose Upload from Computer. At this point, navigate through your files and find the image or logo you want to use. Once your image is uploaded, it will likely appear quite large or in an incorrect position. So, it's very important to resize the image to your liking. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the image. Move it to wherever you want it on the slide. Usually, companies place their logos in the corner for a subtle yet consistent brand reminder. And there you have it! As soon as you're happy with the placement and size of your logo, you can simply close the Theme Builder window. Your logo will now be part of each slide without you having to manually add it to each one individually. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates.